Wagi mo, even solo picture. 1, 2, wait, kami shadow. 1, flat. 2. Okay.
Call every day, communicate.
Pwedeng 24/7 ang FaceTime naman. Joke lang. Pero mag-toxic yun. Dapat nag-grow pa rin kayo individually and, you know, and together at the same time. Dapat hindi mo wala yung support and yung trust. So yeah. Thank you.
Kasi
how do you feel with this project? So how does it feel that like you came from Sunny and then this one from Sunny?
Syempre, sobrang sorry. Syempre, sobrang happy to. And, you know, na nakakatuwa na dahan-dahan nakakamit ko ni pangarap ko. I'm just grateful din sa Viva kasi for giving me these projects, of course, for trusting me actually with these projects. And gagalingan ko lagi. Lagi kong gagalingan. Kung pwedeng mas better each film. Why not?
Pero kung lagi namin kay Heaven, sabi niya parang what you see is what you get. Definition of friendship na meron na kayo. Ano masasabi mo?
You see is what you get.
Okay, kanina kasi sa interview sa Q&A, parang medyo parang sabi mo is parang kung ano lang yun sa inyo lang.
Yeah.
Bakit yun yung gusto niyo gawin? Kayo lang?
Kasi dalawa lang naman ang nasa relasyon. No, I'm kidding.
Okay.
No, it's because we want to keep it private. It's because we don't want to deal with anyone's drama. We would rather not deal with the judgment of people.
Dramatic na nga kami sa isa't isa. So,
Yeah.
alam mo yun, nalalabas pa ba namin? And besides that, syempre, siguro sobrang public na namin sa lahat ng bagay. Yun na lang yung something na amin lang.
Tingin mo mas okay yun? Yung dalawa lang.
No?
Pero masaya kayo?
Yes.
Masaya.
Oh, yeah.
Question lang, bakit vinyl? Ano yung significance ng vinyl player? Bakit vinyl ang naisip mo?
Sorry?
Bakit vinyl player? Hindi ka ba mag-collect ng record?
No, because in Makati there's this Legazpi Park. Is that called?
Sunday Park.
There's a Sunday Park.
Sunday Market. Ganon.
Minsan pumunta kami and then we bought this vinyl discs. And,
Pero wala kaming player.
And so she got one, and then I wasn't getting one just because I don't know. I didn't find it as a priority, but I wanted one, and she got me one. And it was the sweetest thing.
Ako lang. Last day. Thank you.
Salamat po. Okay, last na po. Picture na po together. Picture together. Okay po. 1, 2. Isa pa po. 1, 2. Thank you po. Here din po. Thank you. Salamat po. Thank you po.
Ginawa niyo dito? Well, makikita natin kung ano talaga ang gitna, no? Saan ba talaga ang gitna ng Makati at Alabang also. And, you know, these characters, they're both so different. Kita natin yung development ng characters nila, kung ano ba talaga ang goals nila in life and how they would get there. What happens if they get there and the other one doesn't. So, makikita natin yung challenges nila. And bilang taga-Alabang, taga-QC, I guess the culture, depende rin sa tao eh. I mean, sila taga-north naman talaga sila. Ako taga-south. Parang we have like midway, parang we understand each other. But, you know, I wouldn't say we're different. I guess we would say that, you know, iba lang talagang lifestyle, iba rin ang pagpunta namin sa lugar, pagko-commute namin. So, I guess, lahat naman kami tao, and lahat ng tao makaka-relate sa, each character dito sa pelikula.
Pero may ipapakita yun direct dun sa mismo.
Yes, makita natin yung journey nila, yung mga yung mga conversations nila, how they view life, love, and how they view commuting in Manila. So, makikita rin natin sa mga eksena.
Okay, thank you, Direk. Sa artist naman, kasi ano yung similarities tsaka dissimilarities ng mga characters that you are playing here in real life? Ano yung parang pagkakaiba niyo or pagkakapareho?
Ako, sabi ko nga kay Direk nung nabasa ko yung script, parang siguro 99% nung character ko parang ako na rin at the same time. Kasi, paano ba? May goal-oriented kasi siya, alam niya kung saan papunta yung buhay niya. Although may times na nahihirapan siya kasi sa means, paano makakamit yun. Pero fighter siya. She's also a breadwinner. Ini-imagine niya na hindi dapat priority ang love. Dapat ang priority is career. Usually yun dapat talaga. Pero pag nagmahal na siya, parang all out talaga. So as much as sinasabi niya sa sarili niya na hindi, dapat career, binibigay niya lahat pa rin. And so, yun din yung hinihingi niyang effort para dun sa kapartner niya naman. So, parang same din naman. Siguro ang difference ang namin, pinakamalaking difference is, siguro si Aika hindi siya masyadong loose. Ako sobrang easygoing or like outgoing. Alam mo yun, parang kung saan ako dali ng hangin. Si Aika hindi. Dapat talagang straight lang siya. So, ayun.
I think actually I'm the quite opposite because I'm like really kind of like stiff, siguro, if you want to call it that, in real life, where dun naman sa pelikula, I'm really just the opposite, where I'm overflowing with,
emotions. You would liken her to a place, a specific place. Pwede abroad.
Manila talaga siya.
Why?
Manila ko talaga.
Why? Why
Hindi eh. She's saying, am I not Siargao? I'm like, hindi eh. As much as you'd like to portray yourself as a Siargao girl, you're a Manila girl. Yeah, kasi anong gagawin mo sa Siargao? Surf lang, kakain lang, iikot-ikot lang, tapos pagdating ng 6 p.m. wala na. Eh di ba napapagod ka sa ordinary, like you always want something different, and I think Manila has that, you can always do something different. So Manila ka talaga. At saka sobrang Pinay mo, I swear.
Is that a bad thing?
No, I mean, to me it's just, with all the girlfriends I had, you're the most Filipino. And you're, well, oo nga, ikaw lang din yung Pinay. I mean, okay, next.
What will happen? If Marco has a place, what will he be?
Oh, Italy. Because every day he cooks pasta. Every day he cooks pasta. Sobrang, he uses hand gestures all the time. And he's very passionate when it comes to, things. Or kunyari, kung ano yung pinagsastand niya, sobrang passionate niya doon, na sobrang hard-headed niya actually sometimes. So, no, not a bad thing. I'm just telling her. Yeah, so yun po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And for